Hey everybody, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Dutch baby with fruit topping using the Ninja Foodi power mixer, the Ninja Foodi XL oven, and a good old-fashioned cast iron skillet. But feel free to use whatever kitchen gadgets you happen to have on hand. The steps are pretty much the same. Here are all of the ingredients. You'll need flour, granulated sugar, kosher salt, eggs, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, milk, and an assortment of berries. I'm using raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Here's a quick tutorial for those of you that have the Ninja Foodi power mixer and you're just wondering how to use it. First, line up the arrows on the power base, that's the end with the plug attached, with the arrow on the hand mixer attachment. Then insert the whisk into either of the holes on the mixer attachment. Now let's put it all together. In a decent sized bowl, add a half a cup of flour, a half cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. Plug in the mixer and lower it into the batter. Turn it on and start mixing. Gradually increase the speed of the mixer from 1 to 3 until everything is blended together. The consistency will be runny, don't worry, that's normal. Now set it aside for about 20 minutes so that gluten development can take place. But while you wait, go ahead and preheat your oven, or the Ninja Foodi oven in this case, to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius, and place the cast iron skillet inside the oven as well. After the 20 minutes is up, take your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and place it inside the hot cast iron skillet. Swirl the butter around as it melts to coat all sides of the pan. Then pour the mixture into the cast iron pan. Place it in the oven at 425 degrees or 218 degrees Celsius for between 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out once the Dutch baby is brown and puffy. Here is the finished product. Now, at this point, you can go nuts, literally if you want. Top it with whatever toppings you desire. There are no rules at this point. I'm using berries, but you can also sprinkle on some powdered sugar, syrup, or whatever your heart desires. Bon appetit. The flavor is sort of like an untraditional pancake. There's a slight sweetness to the Dutch baby with a hint of vanilla, but what's really going to set it off are the toppings that you choose to use. And you can take my word for it, or you can take my wife's word for it because she really liked it, and if she didn't, she would be brutally honest about it. So that's a win for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.